Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your save data could not be loaded from Rockstar cloud servers at this time. So first of all, you're going to search for Rockstar games, and this is a demonstration, so please bear with me. Go ahead and open up the Rockstar files, right? Rockstar games files, and then basically what you're going to do, you're going to be able to see the many games that you have downloaded from Rockstar. Okay, GTA 5, GTA IV, GTA 3, 2, whatever it might be, or any other game developed by Rockstar Games. So you're gonna go ahead and select the file of that game, and then you're gonna click the right mouse to delete the profiles on that file inside the game's file, and then basically now you should fix that problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.